Quiz for medical terminology, suffixes, prefixes, and combining forms beginning with C, Part 1. Now, those of you who have never seen my previous videos, it is my habit to start with a question slide, and then the next slide that follows it in the quizzes is the answers to that particular slide. Rather than have all the questions first and then the quiz or the answers at the very end. I'm also not going to be talking the medical terminology video quizzes can get very long, so I'll give you an opportunity. It's probably best if you just pause the video if you need a lot of time. I'll give a certain amount of seconds for each slide so you have time to do this. But you won't be hearing me talk unless I need to point something out. Okay, so here we go. All the question slides will be like this one. Write the medical term for the definition. It will tell you whether something is a prefix, suffix, or combining form in the parentheses. So, for instance, in number 1, we're looking for a suffix, that means hernia. Number 2, a prefix, that means down. Number 3, combining form, that means bad, and you get the idea. And here are the answers to slide 1. Okay, with this slide, notice that we have a suffix and a combining form question, both asking for, for the carbon, what means carbon dioxide. There's different spellings for the suffix and the combining form, so hopefully you notice that. Okay, here's the answers. In this slide, notice number 1 is asking for 2 suffixes that mean relaxation. Answers? Notice number 2 is asking for 2 combining forms that mean calcium. Answers? Okay, on this question slide, for number 3, I hope you guys noticed in the study video, which is in the description if you need to study for this quiz, you can go into the description for the quiz and it'll give you a link to that video. Anyway, number 3 is asking for a combining form that means bile or gall. Now, this combining form, unlike other combining forms, has a different ending vowel. So I hope you guys noticed that. And then, of course, number 4 is asking for 2 combining forms. Answers? Okay, folks, this is the last question slide. Okay, you are done, and this is the answers. Alright, folks, so as a reminder, with all my medical terminology videos, the study videos will always have links to the quiz in them. If it doesn't, it means I haven't made the quiz yet, because I usually make the quiz a few days later sometimes. Well, most of the time than the study videos, so they don't get uploaded at the same time. But just keep checking the descriptions, and there'll be a link eventually to the quiz video. In my quiz videos, I always have a link to the study videos. So always look at the descriptions. Thank you.